Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could join me today. Today is Art Journal Day. And this is the day that I usually settle down, clear my mind, and just have some fun putting something on doing spreads in my art journal. And I'm in the mood for fall. I don't want fall to go because I don't want it to morph into winter. So I'm going to still do a fall art page today. So if you're going along with me, get your stuff out, hope you got your concept, and let's start gluing our stuff down. So when I think about fall, I always think about the nice colors, the leaves and everything like that, and before I go, my background, I used a little walnut stain, and I used some black soot. Kind of wanted to be kind of moody this time. I found this house here, and it's like a nice fall house, nice porch. You could come out on a nice fall day, sit, enjoy yourself. So I got the house, got me some leaves that I want to put down because the leaves are always falling in the fall. And what's better than with leaves if you have a little dog that's outside among the leaves, having a good time. So we got him there. Let's get all of our leaves down. And with the fall, you can just feel the nice, crisp air. And there it is. It's just feeling really nice and crisp. And you're walking around and you're having a good time. You know, you can take a long walk in the evening because it feels good being out. Just being outside in the nice air feels really good doing that. So I'm hoping that you're journaling with me this week, that you've gotten your art journal made. And if you want to see how I made my journal, let me know. And I will see if I can conjure up a video on how I put my journal together, because it's my own journal. I didn't buy it or anything. It's my own. I made it. So if you want to do that, let me know. I don't know about little birds. Let me think about them for a little bit. I want to get all my leaves down. And when you have your leaves and things like that, one of the other things that reminds you of fall is pumpkins. I know some people are not pumpkin spice coffee drinkers, and you know what? Now that I'm talking about pumpkin spice coffee, because I haven't been outside a lot, and I haven't done a lot outside or anything like that, because I got some weird thing, is that I haven't had my share of pumpkin spice coffee. You know what that means, right? That means I gotta run on out of here tomorrow and find me and just get a cup. I gotta have a cup to make me feel like it's fall, like I'm enjoying my fall. So I got my pumpkins down, got my dog there who's been playing in my leaves, got my leaves down, and I just got a nice fall scene here, and I'm liking it. Look at that. And if I go out and get my pumpkin spice tomorrow, I got something I can kind of write down to say, okay, fall, okay. And when you think about fall, you think of being so very blessed that you've made it and you've gotten yourself together for almost the whole year's gone by. And there you are, so very blessed. Now on this side, we always know that on the other side, this is where I do my writing. And so because it's my journal and I put my personal notes in it and stuff, I will rarely ever do a flip through of what I've done and later, because I don't, I do put my personal stuff, feelings, happenings, and things in it when I get it done. So I barely ever flip through it later because I do that. This is my tag, and I've been using tags in this journal to write on. So I made this tag here. I put the gold around it. Kind of symbolizes the goldness of the goldy gold of the fall season, with the leaves turning and everything like that. When we were kids, sometimes my dad on Sundays, my mom and my brothers, we drive to where the leaves were so we could see the leaves. I don't think I haven't done that in quite a few years, to go and drive to where the leaves are turning around in this part of the woods and stuff. But you can see them in certain parts of the town where the leaves turn. I remember as a child in school, we used to have to go out and collect the leaves and bring them back. And then the teacher would have us do a little project. Boy, what things come out when you start remembering fall? What comes out when you remember fall? And one of the things about fall is that it's a good time to just gather. And I'll put gather there. I think I got it all nicely down. Okay, my friends, this is my fall art journal page for the week. Next time, I'll be journaling. Hope you're ready to journal with me. I don't think I set a day to say it, but I hope you can journal with me. So if you're journaling at the time I'm journaling, I'm hoping you're working in your journal this week. I should set a day for my art journaling so that you would know when. Yeah, maybe I will. Let me look at my calendar and see how I can do that, so you'll know that that's the day that we get out our journals. Can't go live, but I'd be afraid to go live. Boy, I'd probably mess all this up if I was alive. Okay, I'm all done. Tell me what you think of our page for the week. I'm loving it. Feels fall-like to me. I like how the moodiness of everything, like the little gold in here for me to write, and the mushrooms. So tell me what you think. Don't forget little dogs in there too. Tell me what you think of the page. Tell me if you're art journaling. If you could you give this page a thumbs up? And also, if you can comment, your thumbs up and your comments really help the channel and let YouTube know that people are engaged with what I'm doing, and I'd appreciate it. Also, if you're not a subscriber here, press that button and subscribe so that I can get to my, I think it's 550 subscribers I'm trying to get to. I don't want to think too big, so 550 would be nice for me. And yeah, if you could do that. Also, could you remember to be the reason somebody smiles? Could you also remember to take care of yourselves and practice a little self-care as we go into the Thanksgiving season? Let's go into it really happy. So I thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget, press the subscribe button, give me a comment, let me know what you think of my page, and tell me what's your favorite season. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you now. Bye.